If we want to be successful, we have to work with smart people. If we want to be successful, we should make a lot of mistakes and never give up. A lot of people, they make mistake, they have problem, they give up. We never give up. We learn from mistakes. You will judge when this person will be successful or not by when he fail, he thinks it's his fault or the other fault. If he thinks my fail because of the others, this guy has no chance. Those people who fail always think, it is my fault. I cannot do it properly. I should change here or change there. These guys have opportunities.
Do these 10 habits for 30 days and you will be unrecognizable. 1. Wake up early. 2. Limit your screen time. And don't use your phone in the first and last hour of your day. 3. Meditate at least 5 minutes a day. There are thousands of thoughts racing in your head every minute. Doing this will give your mind a break. You will be calmer and can clear your mind. 4. Exercise. To have a good mental health, you also have to have a good physical health. It will strengthen your mind and you will be more disciplined. 5. Plan your day and review your goals. This will increase your productivity level, and you can't have excuses if you set your plan step by step already. This will give you more self-discipline. But if you are too lazy in the beginning, there is a technique which will improve your productivity. It's called the 3-2-1 technique. You count 3, 2, 1, and then you start your task. Like the video for a part 2.